The Gwinnett Daily Post presents the Friday night game of the week. Grayson playing host to Colquitt County with a trip to the state championship game on the line. The home team will strike first. Nick Schussler with the give to Jordan Germany. He gets around the end and waltzes in for the touchdown. Rams up 7-0. Colquitt County would respond on the ensuing drive. Charmaine Washington takes the handoff and powers his way in for the touchdown to tie the game at 7. But it wouldn't last long. Rams' next possession, the give is to Devin Gillespie, and he breaks free up the middle with nothing but green pastures in front of him. He gets slowed up around the 20, but stays on his feet for the touchdown. Grayson back on top 14-7. Second quarter, Rams back on offense following a Colquitt fumble. Nick Schussler is back to pass, and he hooks up with a wide open Austin Meadows, who strolls in for 6, and Grayson leads 21-7. Packers would grab one back before the half. Willie Woodyard takes the handoff and bursts up the middle and into the end zone to cut the lead to 21-14 at the break. Colquitt County would have the first possession of the second half, but the Grayson defense stepped up with Robert Kindiche coming up with the quarterback sack to halt the drive. Then he would lend his hand to the offense, plunging into the end zone from a yard out to give Grayson the 28-14 advantage. Fourth quarter, Colquitt County down a touchdown when Willie Woodyard went in for the third time on the night to tie the game at 28. Under 30 seconds to play, Grayson now trailing 31-28. Schussler back to pass, and he fires a bullet to Marcus Lindquist for the go-ahead touchdown. Rams take a 35-31 lead. Colquitt County down to their final play. Cole Seagraves launches it towards the end zone. The ball is going to be batted around before falling incomplete, and the celebration is on as Grayson advances to the state championship game with a 35-31 win over Colquitt County.